widely used in various industries for efficient and precise material uncoiling. This specialized machine plays a vital role in streamlining production processes, ensuring smooth operations, and maximizing productivity. Hydraulic decoiler machines are specifically designed to handle the uncoiling of heavy-duty coils or rolls of material, such as steel, aluminum, copper, and other metals. The hydraulic system provides a reliable and consistent power source, allowing for smooth and precise operation. Hydraulic decoiler machines have revolutionized the uncoiling process, offering enhanced efficiency, precision, and reliability. With their advanced features, these machines contribute to improved productivity, reduced material waste, and streamlined operations in various industries. As manufacturing processes continue to evolve, hydraulic decoiler machines will remain indispensable tools for achieving high-quality uncoiling and optimal material